ever felt that uncomfortable itch or pain down there? Let's talk about it, naturally. In this video, we're diving into a topic many shy away from, hemorrhoids. But don't worry, with a touch of nature and a sprinkle of tradition, relief is on the horizon. Ciao belly! I'm Nonna Tina from Italy. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I share natural home remedies passed down through generations. Stick with me if you want to heal the body the old-fashioned way. Everyone has hemorrhoids. Think of them as tiny helpful pillows in your bottom. They're supposed to be there. They help you, go smoothly, but when they get too stressed, from sitting too long, spicy food, or too much coffee, they puff up like overstuffed ravioli. That's when the itching, pain, or little bumps appear. Still not clear what they are? Let me try this way. They're small cushions of blood vessels in your bum that help control when you go to the toilet. The problem is when they get swollen and inflamed. That's when you feel pain, itching, or see them poking out. Those swollen cushions happen when we stress them too much, straining like you're birthing a watermelon, sitting all day like a statue, lifting heavy zucchini crates, or during pregnancy. Capisci? Do you understand? It's like poking a sleeping cat. Too much pressure, and boom, they rebel. Before we get into the remedies, listen to Nonna. If you see blood or are in serious pain, you must speak to a doctor. Sometimes it's not just hemorrhoids and we want to be safe. But the good news? Most cases are simple and treatable right at home. Treat your bottom gently. Apply coconut oil or Vaseline like a cozy sweater for sore skin. Make your coconut oil suppositories for internal troubles. And before going to the toilet, dab a little oil there, like armor against the battle. Post-toilet, ditch the paper. Use water, baby wipes, or witch hazel, gentle on sore skin. For swelling, soak in Epsom salt baths 2 to 3 times daily with lavender or chamomile, like a spa day down there. Boost fiber and hydration. Herbal tea, oats, prunes, or psyllium husk. Nature's way to smooth digestion. No straining. Try Collinsonia root, an herbal remedy that strengthens blood vessels and improves circulation. It reduces inflammation and helps your body heal from inside. And Nonna's rules. Walk after meals, loose undies, exhale when lifting, no watermelon pushing. If you want to stay hemorrhoid-free, you must break bad habits. No straining, no endless toilet scrolling. Eat fiber, drink water, move daily, and treat your body carefully. Thank you for watching. I hope you love this remedy as much as I love sharing it with you. If this video helped you, fammi un favore. Smash that like button, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe. Also, tap the bell so you never miss Nonna's healing secrets. Before you go, please write in the comments, what remedies do you need from Nonna Tina next? Stay well, ciao!